Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money quickly and build your wealth using ChatGPT's proven system. Making money can be a difficult and time-consuming task, but what if I told you that there is a way to make it faster and easier? That's where ChatGPT comes in. As a state-of-the-art language model, ChatGPT has the ability to generate new ideas, write content, and even help with financial planning. One of the ways you can use ChatGPT to make money quickly is by creating and selling ebooks or courses. With ChatGPT's help, you can easily research and write a book on a topic that you're passionate about, or create a course that teaches a specific skill. And once it's done, you can sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Udemy. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is by providing services such as copywriting or content creation. With ChatGPT's help, you can quickly and easily create high-quality content for businesses and individuals looking for a professional writer. You can also use ChatGPT to make money by starting an online business. With its ability to generate new business ideas and create a detailed business plan, ChatGPT can help you start an online store, a dropshipping business, or even a blog. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is by becoming a virtual assistant. With its ability to perform a wide range of tasks, including research, data entry, and email management, ChatGPT can help you provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs. ChatGPT can also help you make money by investing in the stock market. With its ability to analyze market trends and predict stock prices, ChatGPT can help you make informed investment decisions and potentially earn a significant return on your investment. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is by participating in online surveys. With its ability to analyze data and research consumer preferences, ChatGPT can help you find the best survey sites and maximize your earnings. You can use ChatGPT to make money by creating and selling chatbot applications. With its ability to understand natural language and generate responses, ChatGPT can help you create chatbots for businesses and individuals looking to automate customer service or other tasks. One potential way to use ChatGPT to make money quickly is by using the technology to automate repetitive tasks and processes in your business. For example, you could use ChatGPT to create chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries, freeing up time for you to focus on other areas of your business. Another idea is to leverage ChatGPT's language capabilities to create high-quality content for your website or blog. By using the technology to generate articles, blog posts, and other types of content, you can save time and money on hiring writers, while also improving the quality of your content. Another way to make money quickly with ChatGPT is by using the technology to conduct market research. By analyzing large sets of data, ChatGPT can help you identify trends and patterns that can inform your business decisions and help you stay ahead of the competition. You can also use ChatGPT to improve your sales and marketing efforts. By using the technology to generate personalized emails, social media posts, and other types of content, you can increase engagement and conversions, leading to more sales and revenue. ChatGPT can also be used to automate many aspects of your e-commerce business, such as product descriptions, customer service, and order processing. This can save a lot of time and resources, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Another idea is to use ChatGPT to create chatbots or virtual assistants for various industries, such as healthcare, finance, or travel. These chatbots can help companies improve customer service, reduce costs, and even generate new revenue streams. ChatGPT can also be used for financial analysis and forecasting. By analyzing historical financial data, ChatGPT can help businesses make more informed decisions and predict future trends. Another use case for ChatGPT is in the field of education. The technology can be used to create personalized learning experiences for students, by generating customized lesson plans and quizzes based on their individual needs and abilities. You can also use ChatGPT to create and sell your own chatbot or virtual assistant applications. By developing chatbot applications for different industries or niche markets, you can generate recurring revenue streams and build a successful business. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to create virtual events, such as webinars, conferences, and workshops. By using the technology to generate engaging content, you can attract a larger audience and generate more revenue from ticket sales and sponsorships. These are just a few of the many ways that you can use ChatGPT to make money quickly and build your wealth. So don't wait. Start using ChatGPT today and start achieving your financial goals. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.